Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Daisy. Enjoy watching.
My name is Daisy, let's go story time.
Once upon a time, in a land where the moon danced with the stars and the trees whispered secrets to the wind, there existed a hidden realm known as Lumindale. Lumindale was a place of enchantment, where fairies fluttered among the flowers, their wings shimmering with the hues of dawn and dusk. In the heart of Lumindale stood the majestic Crystal Grove, a forest bathed in the soft glow of luminescent crystals. It was here that the fairy queen, Celestia, ruled over her kingdom with grace and wisdom. Under her gentle guidance, the fairies lived in harmony with nature, tending to the flora and fauna that thrived in Lumindale. One fateful night, as the stars twinkled overhead, a dark shadow crept into Lumindale. A wicked sorceress named Malvoria, jealous of the fairies' beauty and magic, sought to cast a spell of eternal darkness over the realm. With a wave of her ebony wand, Malvoria unleashed a powerful curse that engulfed Lumindale in shadows, threatening to snuff out the light forever. The once vibrant flowers wilted, the streams turned murky, and the laughter of the fairies faded into sorrow. Desperate to save their home, the fairies sought the guidance of the ancient wise owl, Eldwin, who dwelled in the tallest tree of the Crystal Grove. Eldwin revealed that the only way to break Malvoria's curse was to retrieve the legendary Starlight Blossom, a flower said to hold the purest essence of light. Determined to restore Lumindale's radiance, a brave young fairy named Aurora volunteered for the quest. With her loyal companions, Luna the firefly and Zephyr the gentle breeze, Aurora set out on a perilous journey across the enchanted land. Through tangled forests and treacherous mountains, Aurora and her friends faced countless challenges, including riddles from mischievous sprites and tests of courage from fierce guardians of the wild. Yet, fueled by their unwavering friendship and boundless determination, they pressed on. At long last, they reached the hidden glade where the Starlight Blossom bloomed, its petals aglow with the brilliance of 1,000 stars. But as Aurora reached out to pluck the flower, Malvoria appeared, her dark magic swirling around her like a cloak of shadows. With a defiant spirit, Aurora confronted Malvoria, her heart filled with the love and light of Lumindale. In a dazzling display of bravery, Aurora unleashed the pure magic within her, channeling the essence of the Starlight Blossom to vanquish the darkness that had plagued their land. As the first rays of dawn broke through the clouds, Lumindale was bathed in a glorious light, more vibrant and beautiful than ever before. Malvoria, defeated by the power of love and courage, retreated into the shadows, her dark reign undone. In the aftermath of their victory, Aurora returned to the Crystal Grove, where Queen Celestia welcomed her as a hero. And as the fairies danced beneath the starlit sky, their laughter once again filled the air, echoing through the enchanted realm of Lumindale for all eternity.
My name is Daisy, let's go story time.